I know it might be hard for some to believe, but after owning the car since 1985 and swearing on these days I was going to paint it, I did. Turned out pretty good. Not bad, considering it was done with a spray can. I finally got the ass into this thing the way I wanted it, by giving it a serious case of the black ass. I did it full black. It's semi-gloss black. And I saw a little trick they were doing on other Maverick owners had done by taking the emblem that's normally in the center of the 6-cylinder Maverick grille, and by virtue of using a gas cap, mounting that emblem in the center. Again, it is a 302 powered Maverick, hence a 302 MAV. Yeah, isn't she beautiful? I got a little more body work to do on this quarter panel before I shoot it, but I got the stripe started. I actually found some original NOS graphics to restore Grabber on the side of the car. I'm doing the stripe a little differently than the factory one. In Brazil and Mexico they sold what was called a Maverick GT. This is a Maverick Grabber. The Maverick GT in Brazil and Mexico was their Mustang. So I went with that stripe pattern. Kind of like the way it looks. It is a genuine Grabber. It's a factory 302 Maverick, although the original 302 that came with it is sitting in the garage. It now runs a Mustang 5-liter engine with a T5 5-speed out of the same Mustang. But it is a factory original V8 Grabber, 1971. I did the front grille in semi-gloss as well. I added the chrome accents around the lights. I haven't got to the stripe on this side yet, but I will soon. Same way with the hood graphics. The weather's changed, so I'm not going to be able to do the graphics until spring. Pretty cool, huh? The wheels got a little rusty over the years, but I'm going to scuff them and I'm going to shoot them a new color to match the stripe and the hood graphics. But there it is, my 1971 Maverick V8 Grabber from the factory. And I'm not kidding about that 5-liter stuff. The 302 bored 30 over running a high lift cam and a few other choice things to keep it running good. Of course, it's sparked by MSD. Well, that's all.